Okay, my name's Lance, and I'm here to show you something I've found out concerning security on aircrafts. Okay, first of all, I've just come back from Amsterdam, and on the plane I was sold a Red Bull. This isn't a Red Bull, this is a Diet Red Thunder. Same type of can and everything. Okay, as you can hear, it's perfectly empty. What I want to show you is how within a few seconds you can actually make this into a knife. Quite sharp, fashionable knife, and quite sturdy, which could easily cut someone quite badly. So, okay, after you've been through all the security checks, you don't have to bring the liquids on, blah 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 blah, you can still buy aluminium cans. First of all, we need a way to actually cut the aluminium cans themselves. Okay, so we haven't got no knives on ourselves, so what we'll do is we'll take the tab off the top of this and form it into a can, into a knife cutter. Okay, so you remove the tab. This is the tab which I've just got off there. Right. As you can see with this, on the backdrop, there's still a little metal thing on the end of it that holds the can in, that holds the tab onto it. See that there? Popping up. What you need to do is you need to bend this forwards. Okay, so once we've bent forwards, it sticks out like that. So you can see a small amount of it protrude at the end. Might be able to see that very well because of the light, but there is the tab actually sticks out the end. What we can then do with this is actually stick it into the can and use it, right, as you can see it's stuck into the can there, right, and use it just to cut open the side of the can. Okay, what we can do for this now, put our fingers in there, and we can rip open, being very careful not to cut yourself, a nice section of aluminium, just using this cutting tool, which we have fashioned from the tab of the can. I'm using this now. Anyone with any skill in metallurgy will be able to make a better knife than I can. But this tab here, as you can tell, or as you should know with metal, when you put it, that is an extremely sharp edge, and it can easily be used to cut people and or whatever on earth you want to cut. This sheet of aluminium can now be folded, bent, attached to, connected with, whatever you want to fashion it into some type of blade. Here's one that I was messing around with earlier. And so as you can see, it's just a sturdy piece of aluminium which I've got. Folded it a few times and left the cutting edge on the side there. Right. And it is quite a sharp cutting edge, as you can see. So yeah, so I try to say the only reason I want to show this is because I think they should stop telling metal cans on board, maybe plastic bottles of it or whatever, but you can also do the same for the little metal cans and whatever you want. And anyone with any skill with metal will be able to fashion a much sharper, stronger knife than me. It's just that I'm crap at origami and I'm also crap at anything to do with metal. But I thought I was going to bring this to people's attention. There's my cutting blade.